we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English. There's two different ways of pronouncing it, whether this is used as a noun or as a verb. If you use it as a noun, just to describe someone's address, you want to put the stress on the first syllable with a very open A sound. Address, my address in my street. Address. If you want to use it as a verb when you are addressing somebody or addressing an issue, you might want to say address, address. So it's not an A sound anymore, but rather an A sound, address, and you want to stress on the second syllable, address. When it's a verb, address when it's a noun. Does that make sense? Was this clear? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like buttons. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.